Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge blank white screen problem in Windows Sandbox. For those who don't know, Windows Sandbox is a lightweight, secure, and disposable virtualized desktop environment built into Windows 10 and Windows 11, Pro and Enterprise editions. It allows you to safely test untrusted software or files in an isolated environment. However, when you open Microsoft Edge inside Windows Sandbox, you may notice that it only shows a blank white window. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem. First, whether you open the Microsoft Edge or not, you need to make sure that Microsoft Edge is not running in the background. Open Task Manager, then look for any Microsoft Edge related processes. If you find any running processes, right-click on them and select End Task. Next, search for Command Prompt and run it as administrator. In Command Prompt, type the following command: start msedge-disable-gpu. Once you're ready, press Enter. Now Microsoft Edge should open normally without the blank white screen issue. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.